Migrant worker remittances to the country, save for a year or two of the pandemic period, has always been growing. Hence, government is always under the gun to provide more incentives or benefits to OFWs. And on Grand Family Day, the president spoke of a one repatriation center and hotline migrant workers in urgencies can access or avail of at any time. Our Kenneth Paciente tells us more.
Marami pang proyekto ang nakapila. At kahit ang mga kasalukuyang programa ay pagagandahin pa natin, umaasa po akong susulitin ninyo at gagamitin ng wasto ang mga benepisyong ito.
That's what President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. assured in front of overseas Filipino workers in the celebration of the OFW Grand Family Day 2023. According to the President, the government will not stop promoting programs for them. This includes one repatriation center and a 24/7 hotline for OFWs who want to ask for help anytime. He said the government will also strengthen reintegration efforts for OFWs who want to go home and stay in the country. This is by providing livelihood assistance and trainings.
Ilan sa mga programang ito ay ang Livelihood Development Assistance Program, ang Pinay Balik Hanap Buhay, ang Financial Awareness Seminar, Small Business Management Training, and Enterprise Development Loan Program. Ito po ay pinagsama-sama, nandyan din ang tulong pangkabuhayan sa pag-unlad ng samahang OFW.
The President also pointed out that education benefits for their children as well as the response to their medical needs.
Marami din tayong binibigay na suporta sa inyong mga kaanak tulad ng OFW Children's Circle, ang OWA Education and Training Program, and Educational Assistance. Maliban dyan, nagtatag din tayo ng OFW Hospital sa San Fernando, Pampanga upang tugunan ang mga pangangailangang medikal ng ating OFW at kanilang mga mahal sa buhay.
At the same time, the President recognized their diligence and patience, especially for their contribution to the country's economy. So the Chief Executive promised that the government would repay their sacrifices through honest service.
Tunay talaga, napakalaki ng kontribusyon ng ating mga OFW sa ating lipunan, sa ating lahat dito sa Pilipinas. Hindi lamang po remittance ang ating pinag-uusapan at ang pagtulong sa ating ekonomiya. Baon din nila sa kanilang pag-uwi ang mga bagong kasanayan at kaalaman na ibinabahagi sa ating lakas paggawa. Kaya naman po, inaalay namin ang araw na ito bilang parangal at pagpapasalamat sa inyong paghihirap, pagsisipag at inyong sakripisyo.
The OFW Grand Family Day is a program of the OWA to support and boost the morale of OFWs. This is also a way of government as a tribute and afford them time to be with their families. Those who attended were glad the President found the time for them.
Nung si Presidente Bongbong Marcos po yung naging Pangulo, parang meron kami, parang mas magaan sa loob naming mga OFW na manghingi ng tulong or kung meron mga mangyari dito sa Pilipinas sa mga pamilya namin, parang mas madali po kaming, parang nakikinig po siya sa lahat. Hindi po parang nababaliwala yung mga concerns at mga hinaing ng mga OFW sa iba't ibang bansa.
Actually po, naka-avail na po ako ng medical ng OWA. Sa benefits ng medical, naka-avail po ako para sa mata ko po. Tapos, ang inihintay ko na lang po yung livelihood kasi on process pa. Nag-file po ako noong July 25. So, on process pa yung livelihood ko para magkaroon din po ako ng hanap buhay sa aming tahan. Ay, sa bahay lang po. Kaya Sir BBM, salamat po.
Kenneth Paciente for the Nation.